If you want to share your mobile data over USB, often referred to as tethering, FreeBSD allows that by loading in the appropriate kernel driver. Android devices mainly use the URNDIS driver, Apple uses the IPH-ETH driver, and older other devices will often use the CDCE driver. It goes without saying that you need to actually make sure that USB tethering option is enabled on your device. Before you attach the device, you need to load the appropriate driver into the kernel. For Android, you KLD load if_URNDIS. For Apple, it's KLD load if_IPH-ETH. And for older other devices, it's KLD load if_CDCE. Once the device is attached, a new network device, UE0, will be available for connection. This very much is a case of your mileage may vary. This may or may not work with your device. Your device might be detected, it might not. But for the couple of occasions that I've needed to use this on a relative's handheld device, it's worked quite well. In these days of high RAM systems and multi-core processors, it might seem a bit archaic that you should have a swap partition, but they're still useful or essential on low resource system, and the swap can take two forms, a partition or file. In this example, we're going to create a swap file on FreeBSD. We will create a 128 megabyte swap file. It's not very large, but just for demonstration purposes. And this will be instead of using a partition. First, we need to create the swap file. Then you need to set the proper permissions for the new file. Thirdly, you need to inform the system about the file by adding it to the FS tab or the file system table. And then to activate the swap file immediately, you need swap on.